Have you ever witnessed a flash of vibrant color streak across the sky? A tiny rainbow with wings? These are sun conures, magnificent birds with plumage as bright as a sunset, personalities as playful as a child, and intelligence that rivals some primates. But these vibrant creatures face a growing threat: wildfires. Today, we'll explore the Sun Conure fire escape plan, witnessing their incredible adaptability in the face of these devastating events. Sun conures, native to the tropical forests of South America, are known for their striking beauty and social nature. But their vibrant home is increasingly threatened by wildfires, turning lush landscapes into charred wastelands. How do these small birds survive such immense destruction? Sun conures possess several key survival instincts that give them a fighting chance. First and foremost, flight. Their powerful wings allow them to travel vast distances quickly, escaping the immediate danger of approaching flames. Their senses are also incredibly acute. They can detect the subtle scent of smoke long before it's visible to us, and their sharp eyesight allows them to spot the flickering flames from afar. And like many social animals, sun conures rely on each other. They communicate through a complex system of vocalizations, warning their flockmates of impending danger. A single alarm call can send hundreds of birds scrambling for safety, a flurry of color against the smoke-filled sky. But even with these instincts, wildfires have a devastating impact on sun conure habitats. The flames destroy their food sources, the seeds, fruits, and insects they rely on for survival. Nesting sites, usually found in hollow trees, are also lost, forcing them to find new homes in the aftermath of the fire. And the competition for remaining resources intensifies, as other animals also displaced by the fire struggle to survive. Yet, sun conures are remarkably resilient. They are adaptable creatures, capable of adjusting to changing environments. They can learn to find new food sources, venturing further afield in search of sustenance. And their ability to repopulate is remarkable. Once the fire has passed, they quickly return to their territory, rebuilding their communities and bringing new life to the recovering forest. But the challenges are immense. The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires threaten the very existence of these magnificent birds. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect their remaining habitats and ensure their survival. The Sun Conure fire escape plan is a testament to their resilience, their adaptability, and their will to survive. Let us learn from their example and work together to protect these vibrant creatures and their precious habitats. Learn more about sun conure conservation, support organizations dedicated to their protection, and help ensure that future generations can witness the dazzling flash of color that is the sun conure. For even in the face of fire, the spirit of the sun conure shines brightly.